Cleansing your liver. The best food to cleanse the liver. Your liver represents the human body's primary filtration system, converting toxins into waste products, cleansing your blood, and metabolizing nutrients and medications to provide the body with some of its important proteins. As such a fundamental part of the body's overall regulation, it is paramount to keep your liver healthy and to limit overindulgence. In recent years, many products have flooded the market purporting to detox and cleanse your liver, whether it's after a weekend of binging on food or alcohol, to maintain daily liver function, or to repair an already damaged liver. Incorporating a selection of superfoods to your diet, you can naturally cleanse and protect this hard-working organ. Here is our list of the top 5 superfoods to naturally detox and cleanse your liver. One, turmeric. In addition to its use as a spice and pigment, turmeric has been used in India for medical purposes for centuries. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, and it has a powerful biological properties. This spice helps the enzymes that flush out toxins and contains antioxidants that repair liver cells. It also assists the liver in detoxifying metals while boosting bile production. 2. Beetroot. Beets also contain vitamin C and a healthy dose of fiber, which are both natural cleansers for the digestive system. But more impressively, beets assist with increasing oxygen by cleansing the blood and can break down toxic waste to help them to be excreted quicker. They stimulate bile flow and boost enzymatic activity. 3. Oatmeal and grains. High-fiber foods such as oatmeal and grains can also help improve liver function. According to studies, fiber can slow the death of liver cells and even speed up recovery from some types of liver damage. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, which can also reduce the negative impact of free radicals on your liver. 4. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a high in nantarin, which humans metabolize as naringenin, as an antioxidant that protects the liver by reducing inflammation, preventing oxidative damage. For instance, some studies show nantarin may reduce the risk of cirrhosis and hepatic fibrosis, the development of excessive connective tissue in the liver. Furthermore, naringenin also helps the liver's ability to metabolize alcohol and protects against some of its damaging effects. 5. Olive oil. The Greeks are the healthiest people in the world, thanks to their Mediterranean style of eating, and it's called pressed olive oil, the central fixture of the diet, which boosts healthy liver function when eaten in moderation. However, you can mix your oils up by using extra virgin olive oil for salads, hemp for the baking, and flaxseed oil for cooking. All three support liver detoxification.